Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease, COPD, is a long-term condition that makes breathing difficult due to obstructed airflow in the lungs. Smoking, the leading cause of COPD, both active and secondhand exposure. Air pollution, long-term exposure to polluted air or harmful fumes. Genetics, a rare genetic disorder called alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency can contribute. Occupational hazards, inhalation of dust, chemicals, or toxins at work. If you feel that you have these symptoms, consult a pulmonologist today.